Hey everyone! In today's quick WordPress tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to edit the Read More button text on your website so you can make it match your brand style and message. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head to your WordPress website. In the top right corner, you'll see a login button. Click it. You'll be asked to sign in using one of several methods. The easiest way is to continue with Google. Choose your preferred account and you'll be taken straight into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the Quick Links section and select Edit Site. This will open your site's editing interface where you can make changes to both content and design now. In the top left corner, click on the plus icon to open up the block options. In the search bar that appears, type Read More. This will bring up the Read More element. Click on it to open its settings panel. You'll now see a text box showing the current button text, usually Read More. Here, you can replace it with whatever you like. For example, continue reading, learn more, or even something fun and custom that fits your site's tone. Once you've updated the text, don't forget the most important step. Hit the Save button at the top right. This locks in your changes and updates the button across your entire site, and that's it. You've successfully customized your Read More button in WordPress, a simple tweak that helps your website feel more personal and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more WordPress tips like this one and keep your site looking its best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.